Today is January 8th. I am Vicky and welcome to the English Language School. Come join me to see what's going on in the Student Engagement Center.
Hi, welcome to the Student Engagement Center. We call this place the SEC. I'm Shona and I'm your instructor this term. Let me show you around.
Shona, what's going on in the SEC this week?
Vicky, we've got some great events planned. On Tuesday, I'll be running a writing workshop. I love teaching students how to write better in English. On Thursday, we'll be running a conversation club. So come, you'll get to talk to our volunteers and other English language school students in a small group. It's a great chance to make friends and develop your speaking skills. Now, Vicky, what's happening on Friday?
So typically our outdoor activities take place on Fridays, but this week we are having the activity on Saturday and we will be watching the Golden Bears hockey game.
Golden Bears? What does that mean?
Yeah, so the Golden Bears are the main hockey team in the University of Alberta.
Ooh, that sounds like fun.
Yeah, and I will send all the detailed information through the email, so remember to check out frequently.
Yes, read your emails from Vicky and Shona.
Shona, yeah.
I invite you to check out the Winter Clubs Fair that's happening this week in Sub. What are clubs? They are different extracurricular activities that you might want to join. Check it out.
That sounds like a lot of fun, Vicky.
Yes.
Now, I bet students are wondering, how can we be successful this term? We asked this question to our students last term, and here's what our former students had to say.
Let's listen.
Hi, I have two advice for year B136. First of all, you have to come classes every day and join the SEC activities. Even if it's more difficult or too easy, you can learn something from that. And secondly, you have to speak English more actively. From speaking actively, you can get confident at speaking English. Yeah.
Today I want to share some mistakes you can't make in class. The first one, you can't use too much home language with your friend, and you can't use translation to finish your homework, because these two things can't improve your English skills. And another thing is that you can't be too silent in the class, because you need to be more active, because a better performance can make your tutors have better impressions. So I think these three mistakes you can't make in class.
Yeah, it's Wimbo here. I really appreciate I have a chance to be here. I just want to say Conversation Club is my favorite one because I can make some local friends and I can talk about my favorite topic with volunteers.
What I enjoy the most is Friday activity because you can relax from your busy studies, and it's also kind of exercise because you walk a lot. In addition, you can also meet new friends during the activity.
Thank you to our former students for their great advice.
Yes, and we are really looking forward to having fun with you this term. Remember, come to the SEC to visit us. For help or for fun?
Thanks, Vicky.
Yeah.
And this was
Simon Says.
Bye.
Bye.